You're single at 45 and it feels like you failed, like everyone else has figured it out, but you're stuck starting over. Here's what nobody tells you though. You didn't lose. You just lost the map everyone else is following. But that's also your biggest advantage. After my last breakup at 45, I felt the same way. But I committed to 90 days alone. No numbing the pain, no distractions, just to build my own map from scratch. Here's the 3-step playbook I used to go from lost to selective. Step 1, turn your location finder on. Step 2, type in your destination. And step 3, build to get better. Let's break it down. Step 1, let's picture you arriving at that dream destination. You rent the car at the airport and you try to desperately get the driving directions to your hotel. What's the first step though? The first step always is to turn your location finder on just to make sure you understand where you are. People are always so busy trying to map their directions just to figure out where do I need to go. But they forget step 1, which is to understand who you are right now. And that's why turning that location finder on is so super crucial. What I did was that I committed to 90 days alone. No numbing the pain, no one-night stands, no distractions, just understanding who I am. Because I was totally lost. Being able to be self-aware is your superpower going forward. Many men hop from one relationship to another, and we usually don't leave a bad relationship until we have the new one lined up already. But that's a recipe for disaster going forward because you never get to know yourself. So please take that time, start the timer right now. It's for 90 days and you understand after that who you are. And maybe you decide to actually stay single for a year or two, which was my decision, just to get better. Step number 2, type in your destination. Understand what truly matters to you in life. In my case, there were 3 things. First and foremost, my kids. I wanted to be the best possible dad and spend as much time as possible with my children. Number 2 was my business. I wanted to start building something new, and that's why I'm doing this stuff, the coaching and the content creation thing. And number 3, it was my fitness. Those 3. But the hardest part was not selecting the 3. The hardest part was to say no to everything else, all the distractions, because I was a fixer in the past. I was not comfortable letting certain fires burn. Now I had to get comfortable with that because I truly understand at 45, can you imagine that it takes a minimum of 10 years to get super good at something, but not just that, but the ability to say no and just focus on one thing. That's what I had to learn. So you can do the same thing. Choose your 2 or 3, whatever, how many you have, but make sure that you say no to the rest of the stuff, those distractions, because that's the killer. Then step number 3, build to get better. Okay, let's face it. I had 2 failed relationships. I had a difficult divorce and I had a difficult breakup. So obviously I was not very successful in maintaining and holding on to these relationships. I could have blamed the other person, of course. I mean, they are at fault, but so am I. But the thing is that winners in life, they blame themselves to get better, but losers, they blame others to feel better. That was the slogan, that was the principle I was trying to follow. It was super hard in the beginning because of course you have that victim mentality. It's so easy to blame the other person. Why was he or she behaving that way? That made me feel uncomfortable. But the first step is to get better. If you want to get better people in your life, attract better talent, so to say, you have to be better yourself first. So understanding what is that works today and what is that doesn't work. What are the things you need to work on to be a better version of yourself? So that was really my journey, to go from single, being lost, and now being super selective. Because when somebody comes along now, I can actually understand what is that I need in my life because I'm comfortable being in my own skin. Because you have to be happy being single so that you can be happy in a relationship. And if you hop from one relationship to another, it's not going to be possible. If you're in the same boat, you're just single, do me a favor, do yourself a favor, and stay single. Get to know yourself. Get to understand how you can be a better version of yourself because that's the only way for you to be successful in that next relationship. Hope this helped. If you like my content, do me a favor and hit the subscribe and like button. That would mean a lot to me. I'm going to talk to you again in the next video. Thanks a lot.